use it, and maybe you have 20 barrels in a circle. And the idea is still, I've got too big a water bill. I'm still running too big. Now they keep hiking the price. It's 3 times what it was when you were here. So that the more you use, the more it costs, and it's prohibitive. And even this little garden area is very expensive. So there's got to be a cheaper way of doing this and not have such a land mass. I need to confine the space, and I want these things for nursing, or for daycare stuff, and things like that. People are riding scooters. They can have a damn garden, and we can do it.
Right.
But I got to do it. This I thought would be better. It's better. It's better than those, but it's not as good as it ought to be. Now these are all water. They're all watered by one tap over there, and all